pirate ship setting sail in St. Augustine. How cool is that? I don't know where they're going right now. Where do you think they're going now?
To get that booty.
They're gonna go find some booty and rum. Booty and rum. Booty and rum. Do you hear it? It sounds like they're putting on a play, maybe? There's people out on it.
Yeah, no, they're doing their thing.
How cool. I don't know if you guys can hear the voices, but that's coming from the pirate ship. That's too neat. Isn't it?
Mm-hmm.